What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about XRP and what I like to do with my positions that I hold for a long period of time, that I hold a massive amount of. The largest amount that I hold in my portfolio is XRP, which is about $42,000. And what I like to do with these positions is go through price predictions because my whole idea as an investor, which I mean everybody else should feel the same way, is to buy something at a smaller level and see it through as it goes along and take profit and be able to hold it for the long term, right? That's the idea. When you buy into, let's say, a certain business, you believe in that business. You believe in the success of that business. And because of that success, you see a return on your investment. And that's what I expect to see with XRP. So this is why I give out so many price predictions. I'll give out my own as well as go through the internet to see what everybody else is thinking. Because it's great to understand that you have a second and third and fourth opinion on things, and then you can kind of maybe adjust where your range is based on everything else that is said, because everybody will have their own reason as to why things will blow up, why things will go to the next level. And I know some people are not fans of going through different price predictions and they just keep claiming that it's clickbait. However, if people are talking about it, it's not something that's clickbait. This is something that has been out there. And this is resurfacing as of now. It's not something that is more recent of a price prediction. I mean, for some it is, but not for this analyst specifically. I want to go through it and talk about this price prediction because $500 is a level that this Wells Fargo analyst believes that it can get to. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. So XRP is currently sitting at a 51-cent price, almost 52. It is slightly down on the day. We're seeing it at a $28.5 billion market cap with $1 billion worth of volume. We did see a shift in the overall circulating supply to where that was at 35. I guess they had like an adjustment for coin market cap to bring that down, but it's at 55.24 instead of 55.35 is what I believe I saw it yesterday. So that's, I guess, good. I don't know how to classify that, however you want to. But the real reason why we're here is more about the price prediction. Wells Fargo analyst predicts Ripple XRP price could rise to $500. Now, this was posted back in August of 2023. And the reason why this is resurfacing is because there's many other people that are also saying the same thing. Experts that are saying it can get to $100 to $500, and it's around those ranges, and getting to those levels is not unheard of or ridiculous to get to, right? So let's go through a little bit. If XRP is not liquid, it can't compare with Swift, or it can't compare with Swift. Thorpe argued that the current price model for XRP are flawed because they do not consider external economic conditions when making predictions about a wider adoption that could drive XRP's price. Thorpe said that the comparison with international settlement system SWIFT offers a sobering window into the potential of XRP, assuming XRP wins 30% of the $7 trillion SWIFT processes daily. Its everyday use would spike to $2.1 trillion. How did Thorpe arrive at the XRP forecast? So to make her prediction, Thorpe focused on the price of XRP would need to reach to ensure significant or sufficient liquidity and breathing room in the market. She considered global banks, crypto exchange assets, burned XRP, as well as tokens given to banks, developers, and individual investors. In her estimation, between 50 and 75 billion XRP may be available for liquidity, assuming 300 to 1,000 banks hold XRP. Each firm would need about 75 million XRP. However, this allocation would be insufficient to absorb even 10% of JP Morgan's SWIFT volumes. The bank processes $8 trillion daily without considering real estate, derivatives, central bank digital currencies, and other tokenized assets. Um, on the other hand, if the asset reaches $100 to $500 in the next 4 to 7 months, comes true, its liquidity strength could surge between $5 trillion to $25 trillion, assuming a minimum token supply of 50 billion. This would give the market room to breathe. Um, allow the asset to grow and ensure a single entity needs to hold billions of assets. So this honestly says that $100 to $500 could be a thing. I mean, within that time frame, you saw things that were kind of not really fully breaking out at those points. We started seeing the breakout in October, where we saw Terra Luna Classic and a lot of other things. So this was pre-breakout that we saw everything run, and now we have kind of that same mindset, but more of an extended pace because we don't know exactly what's going to happen with the case. And I think that's where the uncertainty comes from. So once we figure out what happens with the case, then we now have a clear vision as to how that could be affected and how it can take over these transactions and see this much volume, this much movement within the position itself, just based on the scarcity of what it is. I mean, if that's flowing through different banks, not only through the US, but also worldwide, globally, that's a bigger deal, than just seeing it in one country or two countries, right? You're seeing it in every country and fully adopted there. So, in my opinion, $100 is not a ridiculous level to get to, because if we go over to the exit plan and we look at XRP, seeing a level of $100 is really a $5.3 trillion market cap. That's not absurd for something that's going to have this much of an effect overall. So, and then seeing it at a level of $500 obviously is 26.9 trillion. That's where it starts to, I mean, it starts to get iffy when you get above 10 trillion. But you never really know, especially something that does have as much or could have as much of an impact as what they're saying. So let me know your opinion of XRP and how you feel about it. Do you believe that we can see this at a level of $100 to $500? Do you believe that $1,000 is definitely a deal? I've seen many predictions that state $1,000 at minimum. And but then there's also individual investors that are like, no, $1,000 will never happen. But then these experts are claiming, that these things can happen, and they're giving out these larger ranges, kind of not only hoping for the best, but understanding the lower side of it as well. So I want to know your opinion. I always want to know your opinion in the comment section below. And anything will do. It doesn't matter if you're negative or positive. I read all of them. Only respond to a couple, but I read all of them. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.